Hi, guys, and welcome back to another session of Fun with Literacy and Learning. I'm Miss Allison, and today we're going to continue our discussion on talking about board books. Today we're going to focus more specific on certain ages, and today we're going to focus on ages birth to 6 months. And this is a very critical age for infants because their eyesight hasn't fully developed yet, and so the simpler the books are, the easier it is for their eyes to adjust and for them to start learning pictures and words and their connection. And these board books, it's important that they can be seen from a foot away because that's about as far depth as a baby's eyesight can be seen from. It's important that the books are small and that they're easy to hold if you're holding your infant. So they need to be small enough that you can hold a book and you can hold your child at the same time. Black and white images or other high contrasting images are also important. It's important that the images are simple and bold because that's how they're going to be easily understood and captured. Such as this book here. It's a black and white book, but the images are very distinguishable. So you can tell that, for the example, this is a picture of a fork and a spoon, and it's surrounded by white. So it's easily distinguishable and able to see on the different pages, such as this one. It's surrounded by color. And so you can tell that this is an apple and a banana. Also, as you saw in this book and other examples, such as this one of Baby Twinkle, they have about 1 to 2 images per page. So the less you see on a page, the better it is for the baby. And at this age, it's not important as much for them to understand what's going on, to comprehend. It's more important about the tone you're using as a caregiver or parent, as well as the connection and the relationship you are connecting with your baby. So less is more. Comprehension doesn't matter. All that matters is that the baby is getting experience with board books and adjusting their eyes to the contrast in the pictures.